Now we're gonna have some coffee, we're gonna have some tea, we're gonna have some floppy.
I'm shy. It's on this side of the room, in one of the side pockets. I think it'll be easier if it's tighter.
Okay, so I'm holding it very tight.
What am I doing? That's a, you know I don't know what I'm doing.
Not like this. It's not like this. It's like this. Always. So his face is back in the shadow. You cannot see his face. When you see it from the other side.
Bye.